Good morning! Today I'm leaving my Osaka hotel and I'm going to be en route to Kakegawa, and I'll be staying there for one night before I go to my last hotel in Yokohama, returning my vehicle in Narita probably tomorrow, honestly. I did something very exciting. I booked a spot to see the Gundam Museum in Yokohama. I'm very excited because that is the one thing I wanted to do in Yokohama, so super exciting. For now, I'm hitting the road. Also really upset because today is a very nice day, but I'm not going to be in Osaka. Just so happens to be a nice day the day I'm leaving. So sad. But check out this view regardless. This is the Osaka view this morning. Looks really nice. Oh, it is so bright. Hey guys, I'm currently en route to my hotel in Kakegawa. I'm about 30 minutes away and it's such a nice day today. I'm going to see the Kakegawa castle, so hopefully the weather remains really nice, really sunny, really warm. Oh, it's way too bright. I apologize. I tried so hard to get decent lighting, not working. Anyway, see you in Kakegawa. I've arrived in my Kakegawa hotel. It is super small, but it is not as small as the last one I had. And there's so much to do here. I wish I got here earlier. They have a zoo. There's the Kakegawa castle, which I'm not going to spend too much time updating you here because I only have about an hour left till the castle closes and I really want to check it out because tomorrow it is going to be raining. Well, by that time I'm going to be driving to Yokohama and almost there anyway, so it doesn't matter, but I really want to see the Kakegawa castle, so see you there, hopefully.